In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a KV namespace in Cloudflare step by step. Cloudflare Workers. KV is a key-value storage system that allows you to store and retrieve data globally with low latency. To get started, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and navigate to the Workers and Pages section. From there, select your worker or create a new one if you have not already done so. Once you are inside your worker dashboard, look for the Settings or Bindings section. Here, you will find the option to add a new KV namespace. Click on Add Binding, choose KV namespace as the type, and then select Create a new namespace. Give your namespace a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, then confirm the creation. After creating the namespace, you need to bind it to your worker. Assign a variable name that your code will use to access the KV store. Save your changes and deploy the worker. This step is important because without the binding, your worker will not be able to interact with the KV namespace. Finally, you can start using your KV namespace in your worker code to store and retrieve data. You can test it by writing a simple script that puts and gets values from the namespace. That is it. You have successfully created and connected a Cloudflare KV namespace.